Hey everyone, if you want to track your website's performance, visitor activity, and user experience directly from Vercel, Vercel Analytics is a powerful tool that can help. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vercel Analytics from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Vercel account and open the project you want to monitor. Once you're inside the project dashboard, look for the Analytics section. Depending on your plan and project configuration, you may need to enable analytics before data collection begins. Next, follow the setup instructions provided by Vercel. Many modern frameworks supported by Vercel can integrate analytics with minimal configuration. After enabling analytics, deploy or redeploy your project if required. This ensures that the analytics integration becomes active on your live website. Once your website starts receiving traffic, Vercel Analytics will begin collecting performance and visitor data automatically. Navigate to the Analytics dashboard to view key metrics about your website. You can monitor visitor trends, page views, traffic patterns, and overall website activity from a centralized dashboard. Another important area to review is performance data. Vercel Analytics can help you understand how quickly pages load and how users experience your website across different devices and locations. And that's how to use Vercel Analytics in 2026. By monitoring visitor activity, performance metrics, and user behavior, you can make smarter decisions and continuously improve your website experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.